Wait, can I hear myself? Okay, there's still something off. Test. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Welcome back, everyone. Okay, well, hopefully people are joining back. Well, let's get us back to the last stage that we had. All right, seems like the first one joined again. Oh. Let me go to test directory. Okay, I hope we are getting back. So we have this dying star animation. What do we don't want to do now? That basically fixes the fill problem. Do I have... I think I should have a list of some more. Okay, that actually fixes with color and fill. Oh yeah, what I wanted to do is actually draw the star first. So I wanted to show oh, I don't know whether I can do this actually. Okay, so the problem is I want to specify the color as well. So let's just do, it's a bit ugly though. I don't know, stroke. And then style. Is action to action. Okay. And that should be reds. Okay. And this goes, wait, 126 to 150 is draw circ. And that goes to black is stupid. So we have basically start color is orange. Maybe this. And color is black. I don't know. There's something like, oh, this. I just want to see it. I know it's probably an awful color. Okay. Okay, that actually seems to work. The problem is that I have to still specify this. Well, that's okay. So that does actually work quite well. Okay, let's also try the stroke version. Okay. I like that. So this should be, uh-oh. Okay. So bad that I lost that many viewers of you, or of not you, because you were here. Hopefully some of them are coming back. So let's check whether that actually worked. It looks correct, moving from there to there. Why is the circle gone? Is that correct? Oh, because it's only 2. Okay, okay, that makes sense. T2 more with fill. Okay. Hey Zet, how's it going? Okay, let's request the review to merge this quickly. Okay, requested already. What is wrong with this one? Okay, the diff coverage is 100 and it's approved, so okay, this actually goes to master. Hopefully it doesn't break anything. Tests pass. Oh, I just didn't upload that one. All right. Yes. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. No, this needs merge. We will see. Yes. No. I will. Okay, morphing. It's now possible to morph a shape one with mapping fill. It's now possible to morph a shape into a different one with having a fill. Where the color is set with okay, so let's create this. And I will do the changelog and stuff. But I got a message from Jacob, who is streaming as well. I'm not sure whether you will be able to hear him as well. I think you can't. Okay, anyway, I read his message and then I will just text him here. So basically he asked about his live view where I made a comment, and I want that the live view is shown without rendering any frame.
just
okay. This fails horribly. All right. I hope Il is coming back to the stream if he's not there yet. Or maybe A1 joined the stream. Hello to YouTube. I am back. Oh yeah, so I wanted to change log and to do. Let me do that really quick. If this is actually in to do. Yes. And morph with fill or stroke and using sub action to specify changes in color. So I want him to have a look at 153. How do I see the changes? Right. That was the wrong button. How do I see the change? Oh, okay. Okay, I think I will just TCP feature 102. I hope I have this installed on this machine. And yes, push this, please. Before I forget that again. Oh yeah. Okay. Do I have Maybe let's do it here. I actually want to have a live view to true and don't have anything there. Uh, okay. Let's have a look at the live view. Why is this not there? Oh, okay. Let's do another one then. Okay, so this clearly does not work. Okay, let's go. Okay. Where is... Okay, let's have a look at the doc string. It's also not here. Ah. Okay, he didn't push his changes. He will hopefully do so. Okay, anyway. Oh, yeah, I wanted to also, so last time I've created this with my viewers, and yeah, basically this animation you see right now is not the best randomness, I guess. So let's have a look at that one again. Just don't want to do this. Okay. I think we want to have be in this branch. And doing no, not loading animation. Problem. So actually there is some pollen simplex noise inside of Luxo. So I don't want to use this one anymore. I want to use the simplex noise, but I have to check the documentation for that. This clearly does not work. Okay, anyway. Let's try search for noise. Okay. So there's this noise function. And I can init noise. Okay, init noise also. Let's do the non-seed version. Okay, so, and then I want to have noise, two-dimensional noise. and two-dimensional noise with just a different initialization. Hope that this looks better now. And maybe create an animation first. Okay. Ah, damn it. Okay, so Jacob just told me I can review the Javis viewer now. So let's do that. Okay, let's do this in a second, and hopefully that's correct one. Yeah, seems to be. Okay, so oh no, we have a problem. Okay, so Luxa has these possible versions and do this. But color types. Yeah, thanks. That looks good. I don't know what he did here. This is way too specific. How about doing this as a starter? Okay. I want to specify probably, I don't know, something like this. But what is this quartz image? And let's also do this. Okay. This is weird. But okay, I will definitely text Jacob about that. So we are currently having a look at his image viewer. Well, we are going to give him some feedback. And let's reload this one. Um, let's give him what I've changed. Okay, so add up the doc string. Let's check that. Okay. Get fixed to canvas. It's taking super long. Okay. Anyway, as you are back, let's discuss a little bit the animation I'm trying to do for the Patreons, basically. Did you get any new ideas on how to do this? Or shall I start with just random moving blocks with different color? Okay. So currently I'm trying to just review a pull request by the co-developer, and afterwards I will go back and try to make the animation. And unfortunately, this takes way too long, and I don't know why. Oh, one is done. So let's have a look at. Okay. Okay. So it's loading the first one, and I can use my arrow keys, and I can basically make this a smooth animation. Okay, it would be nice to actually at least have an option to go back to one there. But this seems to be quite okay-ish, I would say. You can see the animation, so that's a good point. Perfect. It's definitely possible. Do you think it is reasonable to okay. So okay. Let's go back to the real stuff. Um, yeah, I think that should still work. So what I changed is I use the noise function, the simplex noise function from Luxor now, which should be cleaner and hopefully should be more random. Where do I move this to? Okay. So we should not switch branches too often because pre-compiling takes a long time. So let's focus on this animation for the rest. And maybe I already copy this over to like Patreon.jl. Now the live view would also be, but it's not really done yet. So at the moment it will not speed up the process, unfortunately. Balance noise. Wait. I don't use the one above here anymore. Okay. Let's get rid of that then, I suppose. And have noise here. Hope I didn't remove anything important. This is so. Oh, okay. Might be okay. Okay, it seems like I need to do at least 3 of them. Okay. What have I done? Oh. Okay. So this needs a drawing. That's quite annoying. Maybe it's possible to have a random color. Okay. Okay. Oh, I need 20 of them, right? Oh, this is so bad. Okay. Maybe I just create a drawing and it doesn't matter. I just want to see an animation. Okay. At least it's doing something now. What happened? Okay, I hope we're getting something better now. And let's also no, it's bad code. Maybe this already helps. It's only one block. This is pretty weird. Oh, let's do this. Yeah, and maybe the size is also preview 10 else 20. But yeah, I really okay. They are all. Oh wait, 4J. Okay. I need to do. I need to do this in a different way. Okay. First of all, let's do X scale is 400. Y scale is 300. Else X scale is 1100 and Y scale is 500. And then, so the problem is they are all on top of each other. And I actually want to do basically zeros of num blobs for X and Y. And then for this, I want to have Perl and X. Oh, but I want to have for, what did I say? Okay, yeah, this is actually not correct. Let's do this. And then just push it to Perl and X. Basically this. And I have init noise here. I have init noise there, and I have Y scale and X scale. I think this should work, and I want to have the colors printed here. Okay. And they are by a huge bit. Why is that the case? To have something else horribly going wrong. Do I just need to have this smaller? Oh, maybe because of this. It's actually different. So I have like 600, so probably 300 and 200 is perfect. Let's get okay, I think they are all between 0 and 1. Okay, then I actually have to do this differently. I have to do basically scale this by oh no, wait. I think I want to do this. Actually, it doesn't matter. It will have to be an integer. Okay, perfect. Okay, Ill, I hope you're still in the chat. If you are perfect. So my idea was now to have basically a random viewer readership with some kind of color, and then I have myself as a color, maybe moving more like in the center of it. I know I'm very egocentric. And then I have special colors for patrons, which get their names attached to them. And I have some special color for patrons who support me but don't pay $4, just $1 per month, which is still awesome. Thank you, everyone. And yeah, I don't know whether I want to distinguish between Twitch viewers and blog readers. But yeah, that's kind of the general idea. What do you think about that? Oh, chameleon, you are here. What an honor. This is simplex noise now, by the way. Choose different orbits. Okay, yeah. For all of the different types, I think that should. Wait, how do I choose different orbits with simplex noise? Can I? Hard coded first. Yeah, I'm currently trying to make an animation for like showing the status of, or like having viewers around, having Patreon subscribers around, having myself around, and exchanging some goods. I don't know. Hard coded first. I don't like hard code. Oh, Chameleon, if you're still here, is it? No, I think you can't answer that question. I think it's a Jarvis question. So when I write an ellipse, for example, uh, I can get the path of it, right? So how do I do? Oh yeah, so I can get the path of it. I'm just thinking that's okay. I'm just thinking about the orbits. Just trying to figure out how to follow along a path. Uh, Poly sample. Oh, that's. Oh, yeah. Yeah, exactly. That's what I need. Yeah, perfect. It's so nice that you're here. That's so awesome. Okay, let's let's just check. Um, let's make a new one. Yeah, let's do the orbit first. Yeah, 2.5.1 worked fine. I think I'm using it now. Let me check. Luxor. Yeah, 2.5.1. No worries, no worries. Not a problem at all. So let's do, I don't know. Okay, maybe video action frame. Call it scene action to not get confused with other actions. And then I have blob. And then I might want to start at the zero, at the origin. And here I have ellipse of point minus 100. Or maybe I should do this. and then have minus with, I don't know, and 0 and plus. So, and then that's probably, what is K? Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. I don't know. What is a good value? Let's try this one. And action is none. Okay. And then I have oh, I want to, goodness, how does that work again? New path and close path. Yeah. Okay. That makes total sense. I just don't know what a good value is, and I don't want to think about it too hard. And then, what did you say? Poly sample, right? Okay, how do I get? And now poly ellipse points is maybe poly sample ellipse path, and I don't know, 100. Um, I don't really know what I need this, but it's okay. And then I want to have translate anim is animation. Oh, I think, yeah, I think this works. 1 to 100. Do I? Well, it's 100 points. Fully portion. Oh, that's also interesting. But I think I don't want this now. And here I want to have, oh, I probably want to have linear first, because otherwise it probably is very weird. I have seen some of them, I think. I will have another look at them. I think it's quite a while. Did I delete some stuff? Oh, it's still there. Okay. So translate animation and then translate. And see what this does. Oh, do I have, what is my ground function? Okay. Oh, wait. This is correct. This is already a point. let's have a look. Okay, it's moving. So I guess the orbit is a little bit big, but otherwise it worked. How about this one? Okay, yeah. Now the question is, how do I add the wobbly factor of it? Is there some way of doing that? And yeah, how do I make this wobbliness? I mean, I can add some random. Okay, maybe I do the random version first. Um, how do this looks probably awful. Okay, I don't know. It's kind of awful, but kind of also okay-ish. Um, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, that's the first part, Il. What are we going to do next? Um, adding a lot of them with different color, and maybe doing this one smaller. Bubble with the texture. Yeah, what kind of texture do you want? So I have like me. The bubble with the texture is you. Yeah. I get that. Okay. Others. Viewers. Me and viewers. Okay. So what I want to do is probably copy this over. And have several views, but let's start with one. And they should be outside. Okay, they are maybe a little bit close. Should I move more inside myself? Yeah, but then they can't exchange goods. And I think they are just too big. Let's face that. I am too big. Social distance. Yeah. How about now? They're getting close here. But it's okay. Hope that makes sense so far. Well, sense is probably the wrong word for that. And yeah, I think they need different starting points though. Oh yeah, is there somehow an easy way to start at a different point with their lips when getting the poly sample? Probably not, right? Because it's kind of not the most useful thing, I suppose, normally. Okay, so what do you mean by random times length? Yeah, I want to circ shift the area of points. So basically, probably just doing I don't know whether I have defined that already. What is it? I always mess this up. Oh no, there is circ shift. Wait. This is too good to be true. Hmm. Okay, maybe I misunderstood that. Wait, yep. What is wrong? Oh, wait. Do I have to put? Okay. I think I can live with that one. So circ shift. This is so nice. Hi everyone, welcome to the stream. Yeah, Julia rocks. Okay. Where was I? I think I can just reload this, right? I think I changed something important. Um, with where did I change this here? Oh yeah, it's offset, of course. Yeah, okay. Oh, I didn't want to zoom into that. Okay, and now I also want to have like this. Doesn't need a variable. Just have that here. And yeah, probably we need some more viewers. And they wobble so badly. This is really awful. But okay. So what I want to do is probably uh, so many new viewers. Where are you coming from? Hi everyone. Awesome to see you. For I still have like number of bubbles or stuff like that, right? Blobs. Let's call it number of viewers. See whether I still have blobs. Yeah, I'm currently not using this. I might well do. Okay. Oh yeah, by the way, do you know how to begin bot rated me? Whoever that is, thank you very much. Um, that makes sense, and thanks for answering. All right, color animation. Still don't have this. So yeah, Chameleon. Is there an easy way to get a random color, maybe of colors or whatever library without using drawing? Because random color doesn't work when I don't call drawing, and then it says drawing is missing, which kind of makes sense. And also this one. Okay. So I wanted to do basically. Yeah, I know. I thought you might have borrowed it from colors or whatever, and I can just use their function. Oh yeah, for I in num viewers. I'm changing code at too many positions right now. So like this one also needs this one then, and let's call it viewer. I think that should work, right? Okay, and then this for in 1, 2 viewers, num viewers, sorry. And translate enum viewers of this. I have no idea whether that can work. Okay, where are we going off? "48 views. I can't I can't believe it. Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining. If you have ideas, I'm currently doing some kind of weird drawing for basically Patreon subscribers and viewers in general. I want to have myself giving out live streams and blog posts and other represent viewers or readers of my blog and like paying subscribers and attach names to them and stuff like that to have a better form of this, like with a night animation. Um, oh, I think someone found a bug. No, this one, you mean this one, right? This one is correct because linear is, or it's basically the animation between those two inside animation. So this is basically the time is going from 0 to 1. This is our points, and this is like the transition. So when we have 2, we need 1 transition, and now we need 99 transitions. Okay. Basically, I want to test that 10. Let's have a look at this one. Wait. Let's maybe have a look at size and type of. Oh, I should probably do this, right? Okay, that seems better. Otherwise, I iterate over a single number, which seems stupid. Okay. That kind of makes sense. That's so weird. Okay. Yeah, I'm still looking for a texture for mine, maybe, and probably random colors for the others. And I would probably want to have more or less a random ellipse, like have the focal points at different positions and maybe the lengths such they are not moving all in this weird uh, way, like just following one another, which probably looks a bit off. Um, so yeah. So maybe let's have a vector of this and push on this new thing to it. Probably might be like a little slow, but I don't mind. So this is basically a vector of a vector of points. I think it should be. Okay, and now what we can do is have this, I don't know, going there and there a bit. And probably also have this one, I don't know, do I only want to go in that direction? Yeah, why not? Um, Do I need to change the mother part? Oh, that's all right. Okay. Okay, I think size of that and type of is reasonable again. Yeah. Why is this size of 1? Maybe that's not a real array or something. I don't know. It is an array of points. Okay. If I go back to this one, what happens? Okay, that doesn't work either. Does someone in the chat has any ideas what I'm missing? Oh, size. I want to have size. But if I push, I don't get it. If I have 1, 2, and then push A, B, and then push A, B again. Yeah, that works, right? That doesn't. I don't know. What am I missing, guys and girls and everyone watching? Let's reduce this to 10 and actually show what's happening here. And hopefully we get another better view of the problem. So any point points of header comprehension. So this one should be I'm only filling it with one of them. Oh, what a stupid mistake. Let's try this. Does that make a difference? I don't know. So why do I want to access them at position 11 and where? In this one again. Do I do? Okay, let's okay, I think I fixed it. Let's just reload stuff and okay, so why should we access it at position 11? Num viewers should be 10. Oh, okay, because I changed this one too. Okay, that makes sense. I should be more careful. Num points in ellipse. Yeah, I'm really, really, really bad at naming everyone. I think that should work. And yes, let's at least one other push-up go. Oh yeah. By the way, a good point by my fellow streamer, Jacob, aka the Zeta Prince. So I am actually working on this or using this and working on it. So if you enjoy the stream, consider checking out that repo on GitHub repository. That was a weird short form. And give it a star if you like it. Okay. I think there can be. It's so weird that they form groups. Kind of. But maybe it's just random, right? They can space out a little bit more. What do you guys think? So, I don't know. And I also the wobbliness slower. You mean less wobbly? I can't change this. So okay. The problem is it's an how can I so the problem is it's a GIF, right? So they have to be like all the same speed to make it possible that it's back at the start. And you don't see the break. And the other problem, so I can define the speeds with the number of frames, kind of. But then it's such a good point, and I feel like Jarvis is not built for this. That's a problem. How can I fix this? Oh, and thanks for at least 1 star. Oh, Chameleon. Thanks for the star, buddy. Um, number 60, a special one. Okay. And I can change the oh, oh, I can change the sample. Doesn't make. That doesn't. You mean the sample rate of poly sample, right? Of this one, but doesn't really make the difference, right? I mean, it gets the wobbliness gets different. Or what do you mean? Mm, maybe I'm also. I don't know. The problem is that I also need to save that, right? Oh no, I can. I don't really need to save. And I have basically do this. Can you specify a bit more of what I should do, Chameleon? um, what do I do with the end of the path? Let me look at poly portion again. Yeah. Yeah, I can just make it longer, right? But would be, yeah, I don't know. Be nice to have it a looping one, I guess. But yeah, they should have different speeds, and that makes it impossible. No, that makes it really hard. I mean, they can have double the speed or whatever, but that's probably not what we want. Um, but yeah, why are they so grouped? And they are in the same group every time. It feels like. Uh, okay, I want to try the one with different speed and just ignore that it is should be repeating. Just to figure out whether I have an idea of how to do that. I think I don't get your idea, Kamalian. I'm so sorry. So currently, I get the half points anyway by doing this, right? So just getting the 50s one, and that's why the way I can animate it. That makes sense. Um, yeah, that's what they currently do, right? They have different lengths of the paths, and they are faster than this one at the moment. So actually, yeah, the speed is already different, which just because of the length of the orbit, right? Or yeah, yeah, they're not different enough. Yeah. Yeah, maybe that's. I also don't feel like this one is uh, not enough, but I'm also getting close to the ends. Let me make myself quite a bit restricted and have the other one, I don't know, maybe more random. And yeah, let's try that one out again. Damn it, what happened? Oh yeah, this is a good point. Um, okay. And everything is in global space. It's not good code. Okay, they are moving out and in a weird fashion, but it's much more different. And I don't know, maybe it's not bad when they are moving out actually, right? Now I can't really see that they are moving moving in an orbit, to be honest. And I don't. This one is me, right? But why am I moving like in this kind of orbit now? Shouldn't all be. Oh yeah, they should also. What do you mean, chameleon? I think I want to have it a little bit less random, by the way. And yeah, I think I. Thanks for joining, chameleon, and I will have a look at your codes. Let me actually. Oh, that looks interesting. Okay, let me show that to everyone It's true, it doesn't have sounds. Oh yeah, they could also move. We should also start streaming and doing this kind of stuff. I hope you're able to watch more often, join the stream more often. I think I actually have a I can be number 100. Oh, I should do this quicker, otherwise people will be faster than me. I subscribed number 100. This looks so nice. Oh, I think I watched this one for my morphing stuff. So nice. Okay, let's continue a little bit. And the music was there. Oh, you finally can hear it. I can't hear it because my setup was weird. Sorry. I subscribed to his channel and was number 100. Thanks for mentioning. But yeah, I stopped it now. But good to know for the next time. And I said he should start streaming as well. Okay. So I really don't get which orbits are there anymore. And yeah, they can even be smaller. But anyway, what I was thinking actually about is to not have the focal points on the x-axis basically. So let's do something like this to have more randomness, and I actually want to does this have oh wait, oh, I should do this. I want to give myself a color like orange. And wait, did I change this for num viewers? Yeah, I think that's the more important one. And yeah, do you think it's reasonable to that they move out? I think it's quite okay, right? Wait, what happened? Okay, I think. What? No, I don't get it anymore. Something is totally weird. Okay, if I follow the orange one, it's kind of okay. But if I follow a random one, there's this weird stop. Where is that coming from? So now it's getting a lot of random and a lot of weird. uh, oh, maybe because I think the number of points should not, they should have like at least a length of 60 or whatever. Because otherwise, when we have an ellipse, that doesn't make sense. Uh, yeah, okay. Now it looks all right. But it's, oh, does it? Yeah, I think it's, what? I'm so confused. I have to watch this. Okay, I think they are just moving around quite fine, right? Okay, anyway, Ill, are you still in the chat? Or anyone else in the chat? What shall I do next? So the general idea, as mentioned before, I don't know whether they are new viewers, is to basically have me providing some goods to my viewers, and some of them are paying back some money, like from Patreon. So I have a Patreon page, and I always mention them in this screen at the end of my stream. Um, and I would like to have this animation in the background with some with names who pay more than $4, and some without a name but paying, and some just viewers who don't pay. Yeah, so I need some ideas, boys and girls. Okay, I really find it. Oh, because my focal points and are quite narrow, and my string is quite long. That's why I'm moving like this. Okay, but anyway, now I start to enjoy the randomness. Um, so I think I would like to exchange some goods from me to every viewer. I don't know how to do that. Okay, so maybe I need the position of each blob, and then kind of having like sending something out, and they send it in the direction of each uh, viewer blob. Um, if that makes sense. And yeah, just having kind of, I don't know, some smaller blob dot whatever moving out, which might get a little bit complicated. But I have, and I probably should put a lot of stuff into functions. But anyway, so I return the position. Um, and then what I need is, so this gets me, and then I have viewers. Okay, maybe I don't know how to do this. Symbol, view was dollar. I think that might work. That should give me the position of them. And I think I will do start with a single viewer. So you all have to combine to a single viewer. Sorry about that. And let's just check whether nothing breaks. And maybe I should call this none or something to get rid of this warning. Okay, so it still works. And we want to have basically good animation. Where I do what I also get, because everything is pre-computed, right? I don't need the position there because I kind of have them. That makes everything easier. So basically what I want to do is have this one, goods animations. And I just need yeah, maybe doing, I don't know whether that makes a difference. Or I could do the animation. Oh, and then they can just, oh, I don't know. I don't really know what I want to do. But what I need is basically, oh, this is not the correct point. How do I change that? I think what might be wise to do is to have, do I want, wait, I think I want to have this in here and then update them such that here they are correct. And later, so what I need to do, oh wait, yeah, I basically want to have the starting position of myself, which I didn't save, I suppose. Array points, the ellipse points. So I also need this. And this one needs to move up. Okay, so I have, where am I have ellipse points me plus basically this is my t value. So t divided by num points times. So I want to move from myself over to the points, and maybe this is already working. I have no idea. Good. So this is just a small blob now, and we have basically this. Yeah, I need the symbol. I not defined. Okay. That means another push-up. Let's not forget them. At how many push-ups? Oh, I'm at 11. Okay. Where is I not defined for T? This is a T as well. How about that? No. Okay. Oh, ellipse points me is also with T. So 12 push-ups to do. Let's have a look at this. This is a little bit weird, but yeah, that's what I hoped. But it's just, maybe it should use just the last position of where it wants to go and just sending it straight to there, because this one doesn't look that well, I think. And then it could also get a different speed. So let's do this. Maybe even look better. So I want to have num points of, oh, actually I want to have end of this. Oh yeah, and then just doing the interpolation with this. And have maybe even a different speed. That's more the usage of animations, of the animations package. Come catch it. Oh, this, this looks so weird. But it works, right? It's just sending the good out, and the other one just catches it. All right. I will probably turn on the lights. I will get some water, go to the toilets, and see you hopefully all refreshed in 3 minutes or something. And you can have a look at this one, which we created in the last stream. And yeah, please consider subscribing. Oh yeah, now I see that BeginBot rated me. Thanks again so much. If you're watching, you're awesome. And if you're not watching, you're still awesome. And only one follower left to go to 50. Anyway, I'm back in a Welcome back, everyone. And yeah. Oh, yeah, I wanted to do the push ups. I think we're at 12 now. So let's me fix the camera. I think that will be possible. So back in. Who thought that you can get fit while coding? I have to set this. Sorry. I'm done with push-ups. How many do I have done? 50. Oh, it's a round number. By the way, one more follower and we're at 50. So go for that button. Yeah. Let's increase the number of viewers to 10. Yeah, that looks so off. Huh. What shall I do? So 1 point. Huh. Yeah, I'm wondering. One possibility to make it less weird, but I'm not sure whether it makes it less weird, is to okay, I think the best way, I don't know whether I can get that implemented, would be to, oh, maybe it's not too hard. So let's try it. That's I send goods out at different positions of myself uh, whenever I'm closest to the next to the blob I'm sending it. Or maybe not when I'm closest, but a few steps before that. I don't know. Anyone, any ideas to help me out? Because currently some of them are just staying there and then they get catched and they all get catched at the same time, which kind of makes sense for live viewers on Twitch, but not for the blog at least. And I think it looks a bit odd. So how about where is this? So yeah, how about when I get so maybe we want to have a random point. Oh, actually this should be 1, but it doesn't matter because it's kind of the same position. So yeah, I want to have base. So how do I send it off at a different position? Need to do that here and define the frame number. So num frame starts, goods, frame starts, and frame ends, and have that random from 1 to num points, or from is maybe runs from, what is my shortest 60? 50 to 100, and 2 is, oh no, this can be actually 50. Well, I don't mind whether it's from to 10 to 100 maybe. So that will be from and to, and I need to push that. So good from ends from. Sorry, this should be starts. Ends to. And another raid from the Zeta Prince. Welcome everyone. Oh, my webcam was off. Sorry. Still the webcam view from doing push-ups. Okay. So how many points do I have for myself? I have 100. Oh, and this should be num point. Sure. And that's another push-up. Okay, this is not what I wanted. Oh, they should. All right. See you, Jacob, and thanks for the rates. Okay, let me explain it to everyone who joined the stream from the rate of the setup runs. So what I'm currently trying to do is to make an animation for this screen, and where I think my supporters on Patreon, and this orange blob should represent me, and the white ones should represent viewers, and some of them get a color for subscribers and stuff like that. And I want to send them out goods like blog posts and videos and stuff like that, and some of them will pay me back some cash. But I screwed something up. That's basically the point of the last part. So trying to send them the goods to where they will be, and I think they just stay for too long. That's why something is off. I think this one was for them, and I don't know. So I think this has to be actually here. And here I want to have all of them, but I think this is not currently implemented. So I will do how do I do this? One, two lengths of this, probably. And yeah, you should check out my stream before you rate. Now you see all this weirdness. Okay, this is definitely not working. So I'm sending out some goods, but they just disappear before they arrive at the correct blob person viewer. Oh. So what is going on? How do I debug this? What is happening? Okay, so it has to do with this animation. Okay. It feels like I'm sending them all at the same point. Maybe print out this one. How many frames do I have actually? 200. Wait, I have 200 frames? What is wrong? Why do I have 200 frames and going to... Oh, this has nothing to do with the number of frames, right? This is so weird. Well, actually, kind of does, but okay. Wait. I basically have to Javis games. Yeah, I don't know how to make games in general, and not in Julia, especially. Okay, so I have to. It makes everything much more complicated. So they have to be at the correct position whenever I do the frame, and I have to like so what I need to do is I have number of points. I have number of points and I have number of frames. What is it called? Num frames. And I probably want to do this, even though I'm not sure. Okay. What can I not do? Twice precision, step range. Oh, I want to convert rounds. This round, this, and convert to an int. And yeah, that's another push-up for me. Okay. I think it works. That one got picked up. That one got picked up. That one. Oh, it's so nice. That's not what I expected. Like when I had this idea, but it's nice. So shall I? Yeah, funny particle effects. Exactly. You're still here. Oh, you haven't typed something in for a while. So that's my blog post sending out to my viewers, and they catch it. That's the general idea. And I think I want to give them color, but at this point it's fine. And then they kind of get the goods and are happy, or they should have a happy face after they catched it. Oh yeah, maybe they should just change color when they catched. Anyway, please, or anyone in the chat, please, what is my next step? What's my next move? Shall they change color when they receive the goods? Or shall they, some of them, send something back? Or, yeah. What are your ideas? I need ideas, everyone. No ideas from the chat. Come on. Are you just going to watch? You have to participate. No tutorials. No, I want ideas now. So okay. Then I build my own ideas. More tutorials. No. So number of frames, yes, and this is color. Oh, how do I don't know how I want to do this, but color to happy, set hue. So color to happy. Maybe I should also, no. Animation is from 0 to 1. Color runs white. So color runs green. And I don't know, Sign.io always serves me well. No. Oh, that's quite a push-up day. What have I done wrong? Okay, this is not serving me that well. Oh, this should be. Yeah, the error messages get bad when you have this kind of style of your code. And now they are changing to green and everybody is happy. Or one was happy at the very, very end. It felt like. But yeah, uh, that's that's the first part of the animation. Um, I don't know whether I'm like super happy with how the blobs get sent out. Uh, but and I also want to have them below or whatever. Where do I do this? It's weird when they are blue and they are getting green. But I don't know, nobody will get this animation. It's not self-explanatory or like understandable at all. But okay. It should make a legend. Like blue. Goods from me. Green. Yeah, they need texture and stuff like that. Where's my texture, Il? Are you going to make me some texture? Oh, I should. I don't know how to. I don't know how to create them. But there's some kind of clipping feature, right? So they don't need to be blocked. They can be something funny. Like I should put my logo in there. With some clipping region. Okay. Yeah, I need to build in the donate process first. So some of them should send some money. So probably like a green rectangle back. There's a way to do that. What kind of image are you thinking of? Um, but why stars? It's not. It's not in the. It's not in space. It shouldn't happen in space. Or is it like the internet space? I don't know. Yeah, but that should be possible. Chameleon left the chat, unfortunately. Had to go, but yeah, we can do this. And I will research that now. Where is my look? So clipping. So yeah. So it's basically doing kind of weird stuff. I think I need to load. I don't know how this works. Let's do it clipping first. So basically my logo is quite simple. So I don't know whether I could actually. Oh yeah, what I want to do is. Yeah, I will have a look at the live viewer later. Okay, let me first check whether I have my logo on this machine. Yes. Okay, so let's move this over to Javis. I don't know. Logo. Okay, and then I need how do I do this now? So the clipping region would be, I would like to have the clipping region a circle as well. So probably have this and then loads, and that should be fine. So read PNG. Oh yeah, and I probably have to scale the image. Okay, I have no idea, but let us figure that out. So that's me now. Me is a function. Where are my functions? Let's me do some weird refactoring of just removing some comments. So I don't need to return anything anymore, but that's okay. So me is read PNG of current logo.png. Then it does the circle thing with clip. I don't know whether that makes sense. And then place image. So image is this one. Okay, and I also want to have these two things. Which probably looks very bad. But we will see. Yes, I get the point. It's a 400 by 400 pixel image. Okay, and how does this look like now? We can't see anything because it's probably so I want to have the width so I think I want to have scale. I have no idea. Oh, and I think I want to have this to 1. Yes. I'm not too sure what actually happened. But yeah, that's what I kind of wanted. Right? It's just that you can't see that it's actually clipped. Which is okay, kind of. I don't actually know whether it needs to be clipped. Just wanted to try something out. So yeah, I think it doesn't, we don't need this. Yeah, the little open source is running around. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so nice when I have like the logos of my subscribers in there as well. That would be funny. So I have to ask them. So yeah, it's quite wobbly, but it's okay. And they are getting all their goods. All right. I think I want to be a little bit bigger though. If nobody is against that. Okay, so I will probably stop streaming in 20 to 30 minutes. So I would like to have a working version of this with some of them having names on it from my subscribers. So let's do that. Mm-hmm. I want to have probably okay. Yeah. Okay. Blob. We should get a text, which is nothing by default, and if text is not equal to nothing, then we have text. Text. Help me, please. Text. Oh, show text. No, wait. Name. Let's call it name. Makes more sense. Name adds position and what do I have? Vertical alignment is middle and horizontal alignment is center. Hope that works. Probably too small or too large of a text. Oh, that's okay. Then I have names is nothing for, let's do any here for 1 to num viewers for I in num. Oh, wait. Let's do this. Yeah, I think that's correct. Oh, 1. 2 is side 1. 3 is Simon. Oh, I think I have to copy that name. And Logan Kilpatrick. That's how you write him, right? Looks good. Okay, and now name is names like this. Okay, I get your point. Oh, it's actually okay. That makes more sense though. So I have H align. This. No error. Oh, yeah, because they are white on. And they are not centered. Why are they not centered? What is the reason? Oh, wait. It's different way around. Okay. Yes. So now they are centered and they just need a color. Do I have like a color picker? What is the color of Patreon? Some kind of. Am I allowed to use their brand colors? I hope. By the way, I have no idea whether this works. Probably doesn't, right? To RGB color. Oh. So that is RGB 24904 and 84. And now it's not a brand color anymore, right? Just to be safe. I have no idea how such things work. Anyway, that should work. Let's have a look. Damn it. Oh. Do you think I will learn by making push-ups? Probably not. Okay, it's super hard to read. Oh, and I should, okay. So first thing is, I hope this works. Thanks. See you later as well. I will have a look at your pull requests. And yeah, afterwards, I don't know, did you review mine, by the way? Okay, this did not work. What is text? Did I? Is it not possible to have multicolor, multi-line text? Okay. Multi-line. Okay. Maybe you should. Okay. It didn't work. Text. Do that. That might break things. I don't want. How about this? Yes, all of them. Oh, they all have a good name. No, that sounds wrong. They all have two parts in their name. Let's call it like that. So name 1, name 2, and this one will be minus minus 0.0 minus 5, and this one will be plus 5. Oh, yeah, I have the minus there. Okay, how about now? And yeah, the color is very, very bad. Or shall they not have circle? Oh. Okay, maybe I have, this is a bit weird, but let's do this. And they also just get a white name turning into green. Oh, and they should, oh, and they should get everything first. So, uh, okay. Okay, so num subscriber. I know I have more, but it's the more than $4 paying ones. Okay, and now I want that if this else. So they definitely get it first, and yeah, they should still be able to receive it at different points. Ah, come on. Wait, what did I have there before? Oh, this should be one, by the way. Oh yeah, no, that makes sense. And this is, I don't know. Is it okay if I send them just later without randomness? Okay, but they should also catch it earlier, hopefully. Okay, that kind of makes sense to me. Let's make it real. Preview is false now, and let's start our long animation of. I kind of don't really I don't really need the full HD version, but it's okay. So yeah, that looks better, but I need to set the scale. This font size, I mean. And maybe make the blobs bigger, make myself a little bit bigger. And make this maybe a little bit bigger. And yeah, I think that will be kind of the end of the stream. I want to just include it. I hope this works out now. Then I want to include it in my Patreon screen. And I should be ready to go as a first working version at least. So actually, it will be Patreon MP4. Okay, well, let's render that first. But oh, they need to be wider space. But I think the rest looks good. So text again, 10, hopefully. And let's do this. So here I need Patreon video. So where did I put this? Or where will I put this? Videos, streaming, and then hope for the best. All right. That doesn't look too bad. So also overwriting some other stuff. But yeah, thanks everybody for watching. It was a very fun stream. Thanks for the rate again, beginner bots, and thanks for all the viewers who stayed and suffered with me. I'm quite satisfied with the outcome. There's of course stuff to do, but anyway, I normally blog on opensource.as. Which is also linked in my Twitch account. So on my Twitch channel, you should find the link to the blog and to the Patreon page. And yeah, I want to thank all my subscribers on Twitch, everyone who reads and watches this or reads my blog posts and watches my streams. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. And special thanks to the ones who pay more than $4 per month. And you are now listed in this weird animation. Yeah, so I will send it over to you as well. And I will add some stuff to it in the next stream probably. Because yeah, it's a little bit fast and not too super easy to read. But anyway, I think we did a good job. Thanks for the ideas from the chats. And also special thanks to the anonymous friend for the intro music. You will be added here as well if you wish, if you want to. Just let me know. All right. Thanks everybody for watching and see you in the next stream. Definitely stream tomorrow at 3 p.m. UTC on Project Euler. It was a lot of fun, so